The Brother SE700 Embroidery Machine is a versatile tool that combines both sewing and embroidery functions, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. With its wireless LAN capability, users can easily transfer embroidery files from their computer directly to the machine, enhancing convenience and creativity. The innovative Artspira mobile app allows for the creation of custom embroidery patterns or the download of existing ones, which can then be wirelessly transferred to the machine. This machine features a 4" by 4" embroidery field, complete with an included hoop, embroidery arm, and 8 sewing feet, offering ample space for various projects. A large 3.7" LCD color touchscreen simplifies on-screen editing and lets users preview designs before stitching, ensuring precision and satisfaction. The Brother SE700 comes with a generous selection of 135 built-in designs and 10 embroidery lettering fonts, providing endless possibilities for personalizing projects.